The Affinity 3.1 update brings us a new way of blending, totally dynamic and non-destructive, called the Lifetone Blend Groups. So let's take a look at that. I have my fox here, I'm working in a pixel layer and I have different backgrounds, as you can see. And I'm going to select my fox because I want to blend that one with the backgrounds, and then I'm going to go to Pixel, and in Pixel I'm choosing Lifetone Blend Group. This opens up a new window here, and as you can see in my layers window, it makes a new Lifetone Blend Group for my fox. So if you move the fox around, you can immediately see the changes that the blending with the background generates. You can also change the blend strength here in this new window. Also the blend color and low pass, which gives you a finer way to determine the influence of the background on your subject. And as you can see, if I change my background, it adjusts the blending to the background. So my fox gets blended with those new backgrounds. I'm going to take the third background. And here you can also see that it adjusts to the background I'm using. And this is totally non-destructive. So if I select this fox in the blend group and I drag it on top of the group, it's now no longer part of the Lifetone blend, and it no longer adjusts to the background. And then you can drag it back in. And if you want to have your window where you can select how much it is blended, just double click here and you get the tone blend window again, and then here you can adjust things if you want to. But that's a new update for Affinity 3.1, the Lifetone Blend Groups, which gives you a totally new way and easier way of blending in Affinity. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.